Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this factory certified 2019 Chevrolet Impala LT Sedan. Some of the exterior features include power and heated door mirrors with turn signal indicators, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, remote start, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, illuminated entry, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display comes with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This certified pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Impala has less than 20,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.